Alright, another knife day is here, so let's get down to it. I got my package here, picked it up from Blade Discounts on eBay. Gonna open it up here and show you what we've got. Alright, we have the Jungle Kukri set. Yeah, that's right, I said Kukri. We got a 6-inch and an 8-inch. So let's open up the box here. Very nice looking. That's the 6-inch. And that's the 8-inch. Looks pretty sweet. Never thrown anything like this. Comes in a nice sheath. So let's get down to testing these. Let's see how they throw. Those are really nice. Holy crap. Lesson learned. These things bounce back. Wow. Better duck. Well, I'm really liking this 8-inch one. The 6-inch one is it's very, very light. Kukri. Well, those are a pretty nice throw. Definitely a good purchase. Once again, from my buddy there at Blade Discounts. So yeah. Anyways, I would definitely give those a try if you're into that kind of thing. So anyways, thanks for watching. It's been fun. See you again next time.